Look at this beauty. Look at these little windows, huh? This is a nice car. And one thing I like about it, suicide doors. Suicide doors right here. I work on classic cars. I don't know why they call them suicide doors. Maybe because you could jump out and get yourself killed. I don't know why. I'm going to figure it out and I'll let you know in the next video why they call them suicide doors. Francisco's Automotive. I have a shop in Huntington Beach on Slater between Beach Boulevard and Gothard. If you have a classic car, and it don't matter whether you have a Ford, a Chevy, a Plymouth, give me a call with any of your questions. You're going to restore a car. You're going to buy a classic car. Get it checked out before you buy it. You live in the city of Huntington Beach, Newport Beach, Seal Beach, and you're going to have a classic car. You're going to buy a classic car. You're going to work. You're going to do the work yourself. Come by. I'll give you some hints. I'll give you some advice. I'll tell you how to do it. If you're going to restore one, very important that you talk to a guy like me. I don't restore them from the ground up. I fix whatever they can fix, or I fix whatever mistakes they make, or I take them when they're already nice and they need help. But if you're going to restore it from the ground up and you're going to do it yourself, a lot of times it's better to pay a professional. There's a lot of professionals out there that can do a really, really nice job. So call me with any of your questions. Francisco's Automotive, 714-375-2661. I have a shop on Slater, 7662 Slater Avenue, Huntington Beach. Call me with any of your questions. You're going to buy a car, you're going to sell a car, you're going to teach your kids how to drive, it don't matter. Call me with any of your questions. Nice car, beautiful car. One of these days I'm going to get me something like this when I get done putting all my kids through college and all that. Thank you for watching the video.